and determination to reduce the rising indexes of gender-based violence cases in the state. Wife of the state governor, Zulai Dikorada, stated this at the maiden meeting of the State Steering Committee on Gender-Based Violence in the state. Abdulateef Yusuf reports.
Katsina State in the last 9 months has recorded over 90 gender-based violent cases and has secured successful resolution of 27 cases. Although these figures are only a tip of the iceberg, since most of the cases are not officially reported.
This document is supposed to guide
Poverty and other factors such as societal norms and ignorance often prevent many from pursuing their rights in the court.
When I came into the ministry as a commissioner, when I asked for the GBV file, I can tell you the file was empty. There was nothing, no correspondence with the judiciary, there was no correspondence with the police, there was no correspondence on SAC centers. There was a SAC center.
The wife of Katsina State Governor, who is also the grand patron of the State Steering Committee, sees the need to broaden and create a community fully aware of the ugly phenomenon and how best to respond to it.
Gender-based violence has sadly become an all-too common occurrence in our beloved state. Cases of rape, sodomy, pedophilia, child abuse, and domestic violence are on the rise, casting a dark shadow over the lives of our citizens.
This meeting has in attendance stakeholders from the society and the international donor agencies who are willing to champion the cause by strengthening the mechanism to tackle the problem of gender-based violence.
From such a date, you will be shocked to hear the number of 40 cases of gender-based violence, particularly in sodomy. And the unreported ones are even higher.
The police, civil society organizations, and the religious leaders also aired their perspectives on the matters and how best the state can take advantage of the international support to address issues of gender-based violence. There were also paper presentations on the steps that are needed to be taken to assist victims as soon as such incidents happen. Katsina State is among the states that is recording a lot of progress in terms of legal reforms and community awareness to end the ugly trend. Abdulateef Yusuf, TVC News, Katsina.